Greetings, friends. Once again, it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. What you see before you is my Madox ball joint press kit. I purchased this at Harbor Freight a couple years ago, and when I got it, I did sort of a review video where I demonstrated using it. Now, before I go any further, I just want to say that this is a non-sponsored update. I'm not associated with Harbor Freight. I receive no promotional fees from Harbor Freight, and I purchased this tool with my own money. There's been some renewed interest in that video I did a couple years ago of late, and as a consequence of that, I'm getting a number of comments. I'm doing this update because I wanted to respond to a couple of comments I got from some of my viewers. The complaint I've gotten is that they've stripped this jack screw. They claim that it's a cheap tool and that it's not worth it. It's stripped the first time they tried to use it. Well, I know exactly why they stripped the jack screw, and I'm going to show you right now. This is the reason they damaged the jack screw. So you'll notice in the original video I had my jack screw well lubricated, and I cranked it only by hand with an ordinary ratchet. If you use a power tool on this device, you're going to strip that jack screw every single time. It's not made for that. This tool is not designed for everyday use, such as a regular repair shop, and it's priced accordingly. This tool is designed for the do-it-yourself guy working in his own driveway for occasional use only. And that's how I have used it. I've probably used it maybe a dozen times over the couple of years I've had it, and it's held up perfectly. I've always kept the jack screw lubricated, always cranked it by hand, and I'll probably get a number of more years of use out of it. One use and it pays for itself. So that's all I've got, friends. Before I go, I will post two videos to your left. One will be the original preview video of this tool, and one will be something else that I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe to my channel. So thanks again. We hope to see you all very, very soon.